This is Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. Doing this video, I'm starting to get into Detainer locks. I've gotten a a whole lot of help from Lock Chuck. He's given me a few locks to start with, and I'm just recording this so I can remember how to actually pick this lock later. This is a Unity Detainer lock. It's got 8 discs in it. I call them 8. There may be 7, but I'm counting the very front one too, which has I don't know. It's got like a really big. Well, that's not coming out very well, is it? A really big gate and maybe some wording for the key. So I don't know yet if you call that a disc or not. I'm stumbling here, but this is all new to me, but I'll call it 8 discs. I'm going to use the Sparrow's Detainer pick because I can't justify buying a more expensive one at this point. But once again, Lock Chuck has helped me out. He designed a tensioner that's very similar to the RWB. I like it so much better. If you have a 3D printer, it costs cents to make this little piece. There are spacers that you can print to go with it, so that you can extend, get your spacing for whatever type of lock you want to work with. And also, I did some modifications. This is based on what Bandy to Brandino did for Chris Capoon. He took one of these and actually made it into, well, he sanded off everything, and I just like it a lot better than the black and red lines. It's just so much easier for me to follow like this. So anyway, that's all there is about that. I'm going to show you up next, or if I haven't already done it, some pictures of what the discs look like in this particular lock, and then the next part up, I'll actually pick it. So, appreciate you sticking around. Have a great day. See ya. All right. Okay, that 8th disc is not binding, so I'm going to leave that alone. Where are you? There we are. Okay, the 7th disc. Okay. Felt like it slipped into the gate. A lot of play right there. 6th. The 6th one is called a lunar disc, according to Lock Chuck. I think that's right. Lots of play right there. 5th. Okay. 4th. Okay, that feels good there. It's all the way counterclockwise. 3rd. Another limiter, I think. Actually, that was the 2nd disc. Well, this is the 2nd disc. Okay, that feels good. Let's see the 3rd. Yeah. Fourth. Yeah, that's right. Go back and check. Go back to the back. There it is. I had to play with the last one, the 8th one, to get it open. So anyway, that's the Unity Detainer lock. Chuck, thanks again for all your help on this, and Andy to Brandino, thank you again for that cool mod for the Sparrows pick. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you later.